Hey everybody, welcome to Genius Week. If you are watching this video, that means you are starting at step 1 of the project, which is choosing your topic and a question to focus your research around. Please make sure that you're reflecting on your performance thus far and throughout our Genius Hour process, and also looking ahead to make a goal so that you are able to finish this project by Friday. Please select something manageable and that you're interested in enough to create a project that helps you improve your skills and have a little fun along the way. Remember, your Genius Hour project should definitely interest you and also needs to help you improve certain skills, specifically around researching and creating a final product. The first step in choosing a Genius Hour topic, you can always start with what are you interested in? Maybe it's a sport, maybe it's an animal or a music or a certain music group or gaming or coding. You also might be thinking about some topic or question that you have an interest in learning more about. This could be focused around science, history, health, social studies, whatever you are wondering about. After you've developed a list of ideas, be sure that you're taking time to pick a topic that you feel like works for you, that you can actually develop a guiding question around to focus your research on. Remember, the guiding question, the inquiry question, cannot be answered quickly. It should be a Costas level 2 or 3 question, or thinking back to thick questions as well. Remember, we are not looking for thin questions that are usually answered with one word or a quick Google search. You are focused on those thick questions right here, which are hard to answer. You need evidence from multiple sources. You need to use some background knowledge. And your answers also might be open-ended. Here are a few sentence starters that might help you develop your inquiry question about your topic. What is the impact? What is the influence? What is the relationship? What if? What would happen? Or what could happen? Throughout the next few slides, I'm going to show you a topic in red and possible inquiry questions that you could use for your Genius Hour project. So the topic I first chose was music. The questions that I developed were, first, how can music help reduce stress in teens? Or you could ask, how can music be used for different reasons? Another topic I thought of was heart health. The question that I developed was, why is it important to have a healthy heart? Another thing you could research would be, how can schools work to improve heart health? Topic, zoos. A couple of questions I came up with around zoos or animals are, is it good or bad for animals to be kept in zoos? Another question could be, how can zoos create a humane experience for the animals there? Another topic would be writing. Maybe you're interested in writing and you want to do some type of short writing project. Your inquiry question could be focused on, how do authors create books that people want to read? Or what writing techniques do authors use? Another topic idea I had was plastic pollution, thinking about that in the oceans. The inquiry question I came up with was, how does plastic pollution affect ocean animals? A couple of other examples of guiding questions would be, how do authors write and publish a best-selling book or novel? How does homework affect students emotionally, academically, and are there benefits? How does media influence the way people look at their body? How is life in Mexico similar and different to life in America? Or what makes a best-selling shoe popular? Notice the highlighted words all create an impact in your question that leaves the answers to be open-ended and the possibility of having multiple sources to help answer those questions. Please practice developing a driving inquiry question for one of your topics or interests here. Now that you have watched this mini lesson, your job now is to definitely select an overall topic that you are interested in. If you are really struggling with this, please do not take more than today to do this. You need to get moving. So if you need to just choose a topic from this video, that's fine too. After that, make sure you develop a question about that topic to investigate. Type that question into your Genius Week document and then move on to mini lesson number 2. I hope this helped. Good luck.